Thank you for watching. This is another tutorial from SWS. We're going to show you the Alarm.com Smart App that goes along with our premium systems that we offer here at SWS. This app is Alarm.com. There's a variety of different options that you have with this alarm system. Through the app, you can arm and disarm your system. You can see if you have open sensors. You can open and close your garage door. You can view your video doorbell. You can speak with somebody at your door. Hello. You can use cameras in your home to view. Check in on your pets. Hello, Cookie. Dim lights on or off. Turn fans on or off. Set your thermostats to different temperatures. With the Alarm.com Smart App, take control of your house. This is just part of the premium upgrades of having Alarm.com systems such as a 2 gig or Qualsys. Thank you for watching this brief demonstration.